343 cases of coronavirus after 7 more people tested positive for the disease. In the latest figures announced by President Uhuru Kenyatta, 3 more people have recovered, bringing the total number of recoveries to 98. The death toll still stands at 14. And as our senior reporter Rita Tinina reports, President Uhuru Kenyatta says Kenyans will not be used as guinea pigs for coronavirus vaccine trials.
Abnormal coronavirus times. You will know it is not business as usual when protocol is broken at State House, Nairobi. Governors got to make their address on the presidential dais. It was the 5th address by President Uhuru Kenyatta on the coronavirus. The figures keep rising.
We are now only at 343 confirmed cases.
The cases rose to 343 after 7 more people tested positive in the last 24 hours, as 3 more were discharged, increasing the number of recoveries in the country to 98.
I am encouraged by the progress we have made, but I wish to remind Kenyans that we are yet to be victorious.
With 2.8 million cases and 198,000 deaths affecting 210 countries, it is a global war against a common enemy, the coronavirus. Clinical trials for a vaccine have begun in the UK. Uhuru Kenyatta says Kenyans will not be used as guinea pigs.
Institutions zetu kama KEMRI, kama Kenya Primate Research Center, wanaungana pamoja na wengine kutafuta dawa, kutafuta vaccine ya hii ugonjwa. Na kama kutakuwa na kutafika wakati ambapo hawa wataalamu wetu watatuambia labda wameweza kudevelop vaccine to the point ambapo it shall require human trials, tutawaambia. Kwa hivyo, msidanganywe ya kwamba kuna lolote ambalo linaendelea kuhusu testing ya vaccines ambazo hatujui hapa kwetu Kenya.
And in the first step, since stringent measures were announced, some restaurants will be allowed to reopen.
Is that we shall allow a few restaurants and eateries in selected counties that show the highest levels of health regulation compliance and the ability to arrange for employee testing to undertake minimal operations while maintaining measures that mitigate against the spread of coronavirus.
The government is set to launch what it terms as the National Hygiene Program that will, among other things, offer employment to the youth in informal settlements.
Will involve residents in 23 informal settlements across 7 of the most affected counties. To demonstrate the principles of this approach, the making of face masks will be undertaken by 4,048 tailors residing in these settlements, and for their neighborhoods, they will make up to 250,000 masks per day.
With COVID-19 cases increasing by the day, coastal counties of Mombasa, Kwale and Kilifi remain hotspots in the spread of the disease.
But in my county today, Your Excellency, the graph is going high. We've had to struggle. People don't listen. You're not doing it for me. You're only doing it for yourself. You're not doing it for your government. You're doing it for the people you love. Or at least kama hujipendi wewe kuna watu wanakupenda. Do it for the people that love you.
Chambilecho cha Waswahili wanasema kwamba unaweza kusukuma ng'ombe mpaka ifike kwa mto, lakini kunywa maji mtoni ng'ombe ni hiari yake. Tutaweka masharti makali. Tutawapatia vitu vya kuwasaidia, lakini baada ya kwisha ni vile nidhamu zetu zenyewe na kutekeleza sisi wenyewe masharti haya ndio itatuokoa.
The main challenge remains getting Kenyans to adhere to measures announced by the government. Rita Tinina, KTN News.